Welcome back. What's up, everybody? Today is Friday the 5th? Had to look at the calendar. It's the 5th. Good news. As you see, I got me a nice beer here. Yeah. But some exciting stuff has happened today. As you know, I won them wheels in the raffle. Raffle. Anyway. But, they're here. That box right there. You see the box? Nope, you can't see the box because it's... Whee! There it is. Right there. This box. There's another one over here. I'm only going to open one of them. But, I haven't opened them yet. So, let's get to it. Come here, buddy. Alright. So, alright. I petted you. No, come on. Go on. Jeff, go. Never done an unboxing video. I've never had anything worth unboxing. Will you get the hell off of me? I've never done an unboxing video. I've never had anything worth unboxing. Today is a rainy day. I've helped Dad in his shop building some chairs and mess. So check out the Crooked Spoon on Facebook. Your dumbass will eat these damn staples if I'm not careful. No, not for you. Now, I keep saying it, I won these wheels. But, I've been playing the raffles for about a year now. Here and there, parts that I needed. It's a big ass sticker. Finally won something. And lo and behold, it's exactly what I wanted. I was telling my wife about them the day before I won them. That I wanted these. We just didn't have the money. He had the money, but I kind of need to get the car moving under its own power before I buy a $3,000 set of wheels. Well, the rears, these are $1,900, almost $2,000, just by themselves, and the fronts are another $1,300 or $1,500. So now I only gotta buy fronts. I'm gonna go with the 17-inch fronts to match these. But let's get to it. Fuck, I'm excited. Alright. Big sticker. No. Another little sticker. Beadlock mounting procedures. Huh. That's nice that they send you that because I've never owned a set of beadlock wheels. So they tell you what to do. They tell you to put it in cage and everything. Thanks for covering your ass, Keizer, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be putting it in the cage to air it up. Oh boy. Holy shit. Holy cow. I don't think I've ever owned anything this nice. You want to see it? I'm sure you do. Out the way. Toss you over here. Now these are 15 by 10 single beadlock Keizer full house. Six and a half inch back spacing. 5 on 4.5. For a Mustang, obviously. But, alright. I'm not gonna keep you. Sorry, Hooch. You don't have to move. Alright, I'm just moving the box out the way. Here they are. Man, these things are nice. Holy cow. What do you want? You want to look at them? Are they cookie approved? You like them? No? What are you doing? Why are you being so weird? Yeah, I pet her, so I gotta pet you too. All right, let me get back to this. Do you like them, Jeff? You don't know the thing? All right. They're single bead lock, as you can see right there. So, should give me a little more bite, especially for the no prep running them slicks. Man, the heaviest part on them is the face. Like, they are definitely front heavy. I was unaware that they are 3-piece. You can see where they sealed it in there. I don't know if it'll focus, but you know, you can tell. Alright, and they're bolted together here. You can clearly see that. Front and rear with poly nuts, which is nice. Did not know that. They are black barrel, black machined face. I cannot get over how freaking nice these things are. These will literally be the nicest thing on the car. People joke around all the time, oh, my wheels are worth more than my car. My wheels are worth more than my fucking car. Like, Jesus Christ. Whoo. Good thing the car's at Brian's, because I can't make stupid decisions like bolting them on. Hopefully I'll be over there in the next couple of days, show you what I got done on that. I did get the floor back in the trunk, so it's now flat. I got the ice tank mounted, and I got my battery box mounted. Would you two dinguses stop trying to do stuff here? But I'll grab some video of that. I was trying to do something the other day, but I don't have. I really need a tripod to so I can work hands free. Where are you going, Hooch? You want me to move that box? I'll move that box. We'll put the box over here. I got 4 large dogs in this house. As you've seen on the, what do you think, Hooch? You like them? You like them? Are they Hooch approved? Are they Fat Mama approved? As you might have seen on Facebook, I'm unsure if I'm going to make the July Dig or Die race as planned. We are currently in the process of buying a house. So, as long as it doesn't fall through, I will not have the extra income because the wife still is in school to put the car together and have it ready. But she graduates in May, and then once we get stuff situated, it'll be balls to the wall and get it completed by the end of 2021, so I can actually do some racing because I'm tired of watching. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for seeing the unboxing. Like I said, I don't do unboxing videos, so I don't know how good or bad it was. That's for y'all to decide. I did forget my Modelo and Clamato juice. So, we won Jersey. Until next time, guys. Hopefully this rain lets up and we can get back to racing. I will be at the thaw out at the end of February, and almost right around 3 weeks away, the 27th. Could you eat any louder? Man, you're rude. I have been approved for media access there, so you can catch me trackside on the track. I will be by myself, so if anybody wants to help out, contact me. I need somebody that can video, at least video. Like, I like taking pictures more than video, but I need to get video. So, hit me up. I appreciate it. Later. Good, I wasn't gonna let you anyway.
I mean, you can grab it if you want to. It ain't
Yeah,
my video.